Today's Byte Sized SWE video is all about business travel. Before we get into it, quick reminder to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Right, so business travel. Hot take, but it's completely overrated. Now, let me explain myself. In our heads, we have this vision of business travel being this fun, exciting, cool thing. We're flying business class, we're staying in nice hotels, and we're expensing all of our meals out. And the best part, all of this is on the company dime. We get to visit new cities, hey, maybe even a new country. We get to meet partners and colleagues in other offices which we normally only see virtually. All of this, to an extent, is true, but the truth of the matter is that business travel largely sucks once the initial excitement from the first couple trips wears off. Yeah, you're in business class, but it's still an 11-hour transatlantic flight. Sure, it's exciting to touch down at London Heathrow for the first time, but when that jet lag hits you like a brick and you can't sleep all night, then it's not so exciting to try to drag yourself out of bed the next morning. If you can even sleep at all in a brand new bed. Then you make it to the office the next day, you try to be present and awake while you attend some group meetings where, let's be honest, you're just battling to keep your eyes open. It's definitely a struggle. On one hand, you get a bunch of frequent flyer miles to your name and time in a new place. On the other hand, you're slammed with jet lag, you have disrupted sleep, you have to attend cheesy work socials, and the prospect of then doing it all over again when you complete the return leg of the journey is just daunting. It always seems like when a team flies for business, it ends up being more of a social meet and greet with some high-level planning or discussions taking place. It's never really accomplishing much practical, and the older you get, the more of a hassle it is. Luckily, these things are generally always optional. I've certainly opted out of trips before because I just couldn't be asked to deal with the hassle of 2 international flights in the span of 6 days. At the beginning, it will be exciting, fun, and something you'll post about on your Instagram. But when the reality of jet lag and disruption to your usual routine kicks in, you'll be wishing you just stayed home. Don't get me wrong, I love to travel. I've been to almost 60 countries, but business travel is another beast. You never really get to enjoy the place you're in. You're either in a hotel, at the office, or at some cheesy work social. Wow, axe throwing or go-karting, again, how original. To those who have traveled frequently, I think you're going to understand where I'm coming from. The disruption to daily life and normal sleep cycles is just not worth the excitement of business class. If you even get business class these days, that is. For those still looking forward to their first opportunities to travel for business, just know the experience is really not all that it seems, and once the initial excitement wears off, you'll realize the grueling nature of it all. And that's it for this episode. Let me know in the comments down below, do you agree or disagree? Do you enjoy business travel, or is it a pain in the ass and you'd just rather stay home? Tell me down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, until next time, bye.